Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn that how you can change the audio language watching a movie on Netflix. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Make sure to watch the video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to open your Netflix application on your mobile. The next thing you need to do to make sure that you're signed in to your account. So I will play any movie and tell you that how you can change the audio language. So press on this one. So from here at the bottom, if you cannot find it, just tap one time on the screen and you will find this option, audio and subtitles. So from audio, there is the list of languages available here. As you can see, there is a Thai, Turkish, Japanese, Hindi, and these all, if you want to change it, just tap on, suppose I want to change it to Thai. So once you tap on Thai, the next thing, you can also change the language of subtitles from here as well. You can choose and then press on apply. So as you can see now there, the audio language has been changed from English to Thai. So guys, this is all it takes to change the audio language using Netflix application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We need your support. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.